Boomerang employees are your best source of leadership development. You may have seen that a few days ago, LinkedIn featured an article on Boomerang employees. Those are employees who used to work for a company, go somewhere else for a few years, then return. So you may be wondering, are Boomerang employees good for me? Well, they're already inculcated in your culture, so they understand what it's like to work in your work environment. Whatever reason caused them to leave, if they want to come back, chances are they found out the grass wasn't greener. This is why Boomerang employees are your best source of leadership development, because they've got outside experience and they can bring that experience to bear on the work that you do. Plus, they clearly believe in you since this will be their second time coming to work for you. So don't take my word for it. Check out the first comment where I've dropped that article from LinkedIn and share your thoughts in the comments on whether Boomerang employees are good or better for leadership development. Follow me for more thoughts and tips on performance, leadership development, and the future of work.